Pronunciation in English. Pronounce the phrases you see on a screen.
Lesson 3. It has been a long time since we were this close.
Sorry, wrong.
It's been a long time since we were this close.
It's been a long time since we were this close.
Okay, next I will do that. I am glad you like it.
Sorry, wrong.
I'm glad you like it.
I'm glad you like it.
I'm afraid it does not look good.
Sorry, wrong.
I'm afraid it doesn't look good.
I'm afraid it doesn't look good.
Okay, next. I can do this, Imran. I can do this. You are not going to tell us what we are getting.
Sorry, wrong.
You're not going to tell us what we're getting?
You're not going to tell us what
Okay,
we're getting.
last one, I can do this. I would never let anything happen to you.
Sorry, wrong.
I would never let anything happen to you.
Let anything happen to you.